Hey everybody, this is Tarun Kapoor starting a session on must know obituaries from July 2019 to December 2019 for your 2020 exams. So the first is शीला दीक्षित जो हैं द लॉन्गेस्ट सर्विंग सीएम ऑफ दिल्ली 15 साल तक जो सीएम रही हैं दिल्ली की फ्रॉम 1998 जुलाई 2019 को इनकी डेथ हुई थी. The second is Sudhini Jayapal S.J. Reddy from 1940 to 2019. 4 टाइम एमएलए रहे हैं ये और 2 बार ये राज्यसभा के मेंबर रहे हैं. He was a minister in Congress and in Indira Gandhi government and also in I.K. Gujral government. So died on 28th July 2019. Don Kapoor Roy served as the CM of Meghalaya, ठीक है, and he was the head of United Democratic Party and died on July 28, 2019 itself. The fourth one is Sushma Swaraj died on 6th of August 2019, served as CM of Delhi for a very short time, and she was the youngest cabinet minister of Haryana, and she was also the Union Minister of External Affairs, you know very well, and the second woman to hold the office after the Indira Gandhi. The Indira Gandhi was the first woman to hold the office of Union Minister for External Affairs, and she was the second woman after the Indira Gandhi. The next is Neelam Sharma. The Neelam Sharma was a very well-known personality and become popular from the show Doordarshan's national primetime news show, and she was also recipient of Nari Shakti Puraskar, and the Nari Shakti Puraskar is the highest civilian honor for women in India, and she died on August 17, 2019. The next one is Muhammad Jahoor Khayyam Hashmi. He was an Indian music director and background score composer. He was recipient of Lifetime Achievement Award and Padma Bhushan. Fourth highest civilian award is Padma Bhushan. Died on August 19, 2019. Next is Jagannath Mishra. He served as CM of Bihar, minister in Union Cabinet also, and died on August 19, 2019. The date is not as far is important, but the facts related to the persons needs to be kept in mind because there can be questions from the facts also. The next is Babulal Gaur Yadav. He served as a CM or Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh and died on August 21, 2019. The next is Arun Jaitley, very famous personality, served as Ministry of Finance, Defence, Corporate Affairs, Commerce and Industry, Law and Justice in both the Vajpayee and Modi-led government. Died on August 24, 2019. The next is Viru Krishnan. He was also a legendary actor and the Kathak dancer, and his work in films like Raja Hindustani and the Dhule Raja in 1998 and died on September 7, 2019. The next is Bhulchand या R.B. Jethmalani, very popular advocate and Indian politician. He was a Union Minister for Law and Justice and Urban Development in Vajpayee-led government. He was also the chairman of Indian Bar Council and was also president of Supreme Court Bar Association. Died on September 8, 2019. Viju Kote was a famous actor in both the Hindi and the Marathi cinema, produced more than 400 films, and a famous dialogue was also there of the Sholay film appearing on the screen, and died on September 30, 2019. Ram Mohan ji. Ram Mohan was known as father of Indian animation. He was a veteran in the Indian animation industry and recipient of Padma Shri, very much popular. And there can be question like कि a person who is known as the father of Indian animation and recipient of Padma Shri, and four options can be there in your exam. And he died on October 11, 2019. The next is Dilip Raman Bhai Parikh. He is an Indian politician and industrialist, ठीक है, and the CM of Gujarat for a very short tenure, and died on October 25, 2019. Next is Champak Jain ji, and he was an Indian film producer in the honor of Venus Records and Taps Private Limited, and died on October 31, 2019. Then T.N. Iyer Sheshan, he was an Indian civil servant, also served as an 10th Chief Election Commissioner of India, recipient of Raman Magsaysay Award for the Government Services 1996, and died on November 10, 2019. You need to know about the current year Raman Magsaysay Award recipient also. There can be question in your exam. So the next is Shaukat Kafi. She was an Indian theatre and film actress and the wife of celebrated Urdu poet Kafi Azmi and the mother of famous actress Shabana Azmi. Died on 22 November 2019. The next is Ishwara Dayal Swamiji. He was an Indian politician and former IAS officer and served as a Union Minister of State for Home Affairs in Vajpayee led government and died on December 15, 2019. So thank you. Please like, share and comment my videos and subscribe my channel for further updates.